I wanted to talk about the experience I had with Bath and Kitchen Gallery. My entire house had to be redone due to a flood and was taken all the way down to the slab. They handled the entire project from start to finish. They did everything from the kitchen design to the material selection, helped me get my appliances, installed all of my flooring, all of my cabinets, all of my appliances, did painting. It was absolutely an amazing experience. Everyone I came into contact with was professional. They were timely. The reason that I chose them out of all the other contractors I interviewed is that they were a one-stop shop and could handle everything I needed. And what was important to me was that things be handled by one person so that I knew that the schedule was kept on track. Someone came every single day when they were supposed to be here. On the rare occasion someone wasn't coming, they called and told me in advance. Everything was amazing. Everyone did a great job, from Angela designing the kitchen to helping me select materials, Doris in the office keeping me posted every single day of what was happening that day and what to expect, Joe the owner, Kenny, just everyone I came in contact with was amazing. I absolutely loved the finished result. I could not be happier with the way not only the experience went, but the way that my house looks. I love it, and I'm getting ready to do another project, and I will definitely be calling them again.